So today I find myself again in Swindon. I'm at the slightly north and slightly west side of town at an industrial estate called Cheney Manor, a place where I used to work back in the mid-80s in a factory not so far away, where I used to work on machines which would make parts for hydraulic pumps. So I thought I'd come around here, have a bit of a fly around with my drone. I've not seen it from the air before, so I thought now was a good time to do it. I've got a bit of time off this afternoon. I'm working tonight, so I thought instead of being indoors doing nothing, I thought I'd come out here and make use of my time by flying my little drone. Uploaded a video yesterday. I hope you enjoyed that. For those who haven't seen it, it's my last video. I'll try and stick a link down below if I can remember. Enjoyed that one. Went to several places around Swindon, around the town, just giving you insight to the town where I live. Some people obviously enjoyed it, therefore the thumbs up, and thank you for those people who have subscribed to my channel and thumbed my video up. It just seems that the upshot of making that video, I've now lost 3 subscribers. I'm not sure why that is. Perhaps they just don't like the content I'm putting out, but I will put out what I want to put out. It's kind of my channel, and if you like it, great. If you don't like it, then I'm sorry about that. But you know, I'm here to do what I want to do, and if people like it, great, fantastic. You know, it's a win-win situation. For those who don't like it, then obviously they go elsewhere, and you know, that's their choice. So anyway, today I'm going to be flying my drone around this part of Swindon, Cheney Manor, Robbourne, Cheney. There's other places where I want to go to as well, but this is just an industrial area where I want to see what it's like from the air, and I've kind of put it out there on the internet, and if you like it, great. Anyway, I'm waffling, I know I am, you don't have to tell me. Let's get on with it and get the old drone up in the air. Right, let's see if we can avoid any trees. There's a few trees around here, so we've got to be a little bit careful. And, let's get filming. Spin you around so you can see me. Yep, a little spin around then and see what we can see, shall we? Just looking kind of over the north part of Swindon and looking out to the west part of Swindon. There's a big open space of land. That's a good thing about Swindon, is that it's got some good places where you can you know, walk your dog, and you know, just open spaces where you can actually kind of breathe, as it were. Right, flying back towards the industrial area where we used to work those years ago, back in the mid-80s now. Yeah, it's a part of Swindon which I know quite well. Obviously working here for many years, at least 3 years I think I was, working in a particular factory. And that's the place just down there we're kind of looking at. That's the place down there. It used to be called Sunstrand Hydrotech. Used to employ about maybe 650 people, so it was quite a place. See the front of the building there. And that's town over there, town centre. And if I remember, at the back of the yeah, there we go, look, you can see that there's like a pond, Plummy's Pit they call that. At the back of the industrial area, that's the waterworks over there, that's the sewage plant. And at the back of the industrial area, there's this long slither of water. Some good fish in there apparently. Yeah. There we go. That was where we used to work some years ago. I was about 18, 19, 20, 21 years of age at the time. Yeah, and stayed there for about 4 years. I eventually left in 1986, I think it was, with dermatitis, which is a skin complaint. I used to get a rash from the cutting oil, so I had to leave that job and consequently found other employment elsewhere. Anyway, so that's enough for this area here. We're going to pop off somewhere else and have a quick look. I just wanted to do that just to see what it was like, really. Never seen it from the air before, so I just thought I'd do that. Alright, place called the Chinese Experience out West Swindon. It's a lovely Chinese restaurant on the banks of a lake. Very popular place. Let's say it's set in the west part of Swindon. So we've moved further west to this place. Just spin you around, give you a better idea of it. I can see it from there. It is down there. There we go. Just set in West Swindon. It's set in some of the burbs, as they say, some of the suburbs of the town. There we go. It gives you an idea of the location of it. Right, let's take you down a little bit, shall we? That's what it's like. This is a close-up of the Chinese Experience from ground level using the good old cam cap. Yeah, I think it was made back in probably the 1990s. There we go, just gives you an idea. Look inside. Buffet style. Yes, thank you. I just got a menu. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, it's a real special place. It's on about 2 floors, I think. So what is below is basically above. That's for functions and things like that. That cost a good few million to build that. It's probably made that 20 times over. Right, so anyway, that was my little video vlog for today. Just discovering a few parts of Swindon for those people who've not been to Swindon before. It is a lovely place to live, to be fair, although it does get bad press, but hey ho, we live with it. It's just a shame it hasn't got a better football team, put it that way. Anyway, that being said, I just want to say thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye for now.